If you were not able to pass identity verification, you will see this screen. Click on Request to skip this step. Click on OK. It may take our agency up to 1 to 2 business days to receive and process your request. Once we have approved your request, you will receive an email. Log out of your account. You will receive an email from secureaccess@cts.wa.gov letting you know that your KBA bypass has been approved. Click on the link to log back into your account. Click on Add a new service, then click on I would like to browse a list of services. Scroll down and click on Washington State Gambling Commission. Click on Apply. Click on Begin to enter multi-factor authentication information. Type your SAW email address, then click on Next. Type your phone number, then click on Next. Review and verify the data you have entered is accurate, then click on Submit. If you are a business or nonprofit organization, you will need your client or license number and PIN found on your My Account letter or email notification. Complete the questions, then click on Submit. If you do not have your license number or PIN, please contact a licensing specialist at 360-486-3440, extension 2332. If you are a licensed gaming employee, you will need your license number and PIN, which you can find on your renewal email notification. Complete the questions, then click on Submit. If you do not have your license number or PIN, please contact a licensing specialist at 360-486-3440, extension 2331. Your registration is now complete. Click on OK to access your WSGC SAW My Account. Click on the blue WSGC SAW My Account link. You are now accessing WSGC SAW My Account to renew and report. Click on Continue. You are now in My Account. For licensed organizations, this is what you will see to renew and file quarterly reports. If you have more than one gambling establishment, contact a licensing specialist to link all of your gambling locations to your SAW account. If you are a licensed gaming employee, this is what you will see to renew your license. If you are having trouble logging into SAW or changing your password, please call the 24-hour SAW help desk at 1-888-241-7597. If you have any further questions after signing up for SAW, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-345-2529 or 360-486-3440.